In this video, we will cover how to view more than one camera at a time. When you access the dashboard page, you are defaulted to live mode and the single player layout. Click the layout icon on the upper right corner of the video window. Here we will select the 2x2 layout. Next, select your camera from the Cameras area. We will use the filter to shrink the cameras list. As you click each camera, they will appear in the video window and begin playing live video. Use the filter again to reorganize your cameras list, selecting one from Houston and again a camera from LA. You will notice that as you select from the cameras list, the cameras will also populate in the current view portion of your screen. To maximize the video window, hide the event list by clicking the down arrow. If you want to replace one camera with another, click the menu icon for the camera you want to remove and choose the remove action. Once the window is empty, just select from the cameras list to load that camera into the empty tile. To move cameras from one tile to another, use your mouse to drag and drop them in place. To digitally zoom in a scene, draw a box to zoom in on an image. Then use the mouse to click and drag around the scene, moving to a different spot. Or if your mouse has a scroll wheel, use the wheel to zoom in and out of the scene. A click of the mouse button will return you to the original view. To switch from a 2x2 to single player layout, click the menu icon for each tile and choose the remove action. Once you have removed all active tiles, you can click the layout icon and choose single player. Then choose your camera from the current view. Thanks for watching our video.